Good Wednesday morning, class. It is Wonderful Wednesday, so you know what that means. We are wondering today what are we wondering today in our morning work? So check it out, what we're going to be wondering about in Seesaw. Um, when we meet at 9:45, we'll be discussing how visualizing when reading can help you better understand a story. Today also at 9 is science, so do not go to Spanish. And at 10:45 in math, we will introduce our first unit, which is place value. This should just be a review from last year. We will also be completing our math pre-assessments, and I'm hearing that there's been some discrepancies regarding the grading part of it, so I will probably have to manually grade the assessment. So let's make it a great, wonderful Wednesday, and I will see you at 8:30.